Hi everyone, thank you so much for purchasing your HangSmart TV Mount. We know you're going to absolutely love it. We are going to show you how to install the HangSmart TV onto your wall in just a few simple steps. If you have purchased a HangSmart from us in the past, you may have noticed we have updated our box, and these updates include some improvements during your installation to make it even easier for you to put your HangSmart TV on any drywall, plaster wall, brick, cement, concrete, any wall application you may have. So you can follow us along in this video, and we're gonna show you how easy it is to install your HangSmart TV Mount onto your wall in just a few simple steps. So for this demonstration, we have a 75-inch LED TV, and we have a drywall behind us that has absolutely no studs. So you can hear that hollow wall in the background. So we're gonna open up the box and show you exactly what's inside. When you get your box, you're gonna open it up, and everything you need to mount your TV to the wall is included in the box. This is what it looks like, nice and organized. Don't be concerned, you're not gonna be using all of these materials that are in the box. We just have a couple universal screws that you will fit to the TV that you have. You're only going to be using part of these materials, but everything is nice and organized for you in the box, and we're gonna show you what each part and each material is and what it does. The only tools that you're going to need to install the HangSmart TV is a hammer and a Phillips head screwdriver. In your box, you have your color guide. For those who have bought a HangSmart from us in the past, you may have noticed we have updated the color guide to make it even easier to install your HangSmart TV Mount. The color guide also comes with an included level and a pair of thumbtacks. You have your HangSmart TV mounts. You have your hooks that go to the back of your TV. You have the nails that will be installed into drywall and plaster wall. And then you have another longer thumbtack that we included to make it even easier to install so that the mount does not slide during installation. And of course, your universal VESA screws that you're going to use to put to the back of your TV. In your box, you notice that we have a unique color guide system. This is a VESA standard color guide which matches to any input hole on any TV. We also included the level so that you can easily level your color guide and your TV mount on the wall. Once you have your level in your hand, just take this off, and you want to have your color guide flat up against the table. That way you can ensure that your level is perfectly on the color guide. So you're gonna take that, and then you're simply just going to push it just like that. So now we know that our color guide is perfectly level because it's on a flat table. And this will make it easier during your installation process. Now that you have your level attached to the color guide, you're gonna take the color guide and you're gonna put it to the back of your TV. So you're gonna notice that every TV has input holes. You wanna use the top input holes on each TV. Don't worry about the bottom ones. Those are more for the traditional racks and those big brackets. But you're gonna want to match the colors to the input holes of your TV. Every TV has input holes. I'm gonna take this color guide and I'm gonna match the colors to the input holes. So you guys can see that this is yellow and yellow. So now we know that our color is yellow, and this is gonna help us when we're ready to mount our TV onto the wall. Next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna find your universal VESA screws. So what we provide in the kit is a universal set of screws. We actually provide the most universal VESA screws that come in a kit. And you're going to take your hooks and you're gonna put them onto the back of your TV using the screws that match your TV. So we're gonna do that now. We're gonna take our Phillips head screwdriver, and we're going to screw these to the back of our TV. Now that we have our hooks mounted onto the back of the TV, we're ready to put our color guide on the wall. So now we're gonna put our color guide onto the wall, and you'll notice that in your box you have a set of blue thumbtacks. These are going to be really cool. This is one of the improvements that we added into the new box. So you're going to take your color guide, you're gonna place it on the wall, and you're gonna make sure that this guide is nice and leveled. So now that we know where our color guide is going to be placed on the wall, you're gonna take your blue thumbtacks and you're going to place it right here. You're gonna take your other thumbtack, you're gonna make sure it's nice and level, stretch out the color guide, and then place the other thumbtack where the other one goes right here. Now that our color guide is on the wall, you're ready to put your TV mount onto the wall. So now we're going to remove the clear sticker that's on here just so that we can see the placement of the HangSmart mount with our color guide. I'm gonna take the HangSmart mount and I'm gonna place it right over the color that matched our TV. So as you can see here, it's like a little bullseye. The mount mounts perfectly with the 3 holes, the 3 target holes right there in the center. We've also included a set of very skinny thumbtacks that you can place right in the center of your mount. So you have a small little hole right there, and you're going to take these thumbtacks and you're gonna place it right in the center and then push it in. This ensures that your mount does not move down or slide down during the installation of your nails. Now, I wanna make something very clear. If the thumbtacks do not go in all the way, it's okay. If it happens to go in only halfway, let's say you have some sort of a beam or a stud in the back, it's perfectly fine. The thumbtacks can certainly go in halfway or as much as it can go in. It's not a cause for concern. This is only used to ensure that your mount does not slide downwards during your installation. We're gonna remove the sticker on the other one and we're gonna place it over the exact same color that matched our TV. In this case, it was yellow. We're going to take our second thumbtack and place it right here where the small mounting hole is, just to secure it in place. Now we're going to start hammering all of our nails into the mount. So you're gonna wanna take your nail and your small little miniature hammer that we have here, and you're going to want to start to hammer the nails into the wall. So you're gonna hold the mount like this. So now we're going to place our 75-inch Sony TV onto the TV mounts, and we're gonna show you guys how that is done. Quick note, when placing your TV onto the mount, you want to make sure you tilt it and then hook it onto the hooks and then drop it down. We are thrilled that you purchased your HangSmart mount, and we hope that this video helped you during your installation. If you have any questions at all, you can shoot us an email to info@hangsmarttv.com or sales@hangsmarttv.com. You can also hit us up for any questions on the chat in our website. Thank you so much for following along, and send us your videos, photos, and shoot us your review once your TV is mounted onto your wall.